let you know how slow it is. So this is my first time doing this in Bonnie. I don't know, is that in the way? I feel like that might be in the way. You guys will have to deal with that, okay? Thanks. So this is my first time filming like this in Bonnie, and almost the first time that I've driven it since I've replaced everything. So this is gonna be fun, and I hope it's not too loud. I knew it would work in Clio with just the GoPro because he's not very loud, but Bonnie with the exhaust and the new mount that I put in, she's pretty vibraty. So hopefully it's not too loud. And this will just be a really quick video because of that reason. I'm just like testing out to see if I need an external mic or not. Because like I feel like this right now is really loud. But who knows? After lowering my car a little bit more, the steering, I'm getting like tons of bump steer now. So, I don't know why that is. I don't know what needs to happen. I don't know if I need an alignment, but I drive straight, I think. So, right now I'm actually going down to a photo shoot spot to get some shorts of Bonnie because I don't have any shorts of Bonnie yet. So I'm excited. Bonnie is so slow. If you're new here and you subscribe for the RS, this is my G5. It's loud and janky and loud. This is my first car. If you're new here, this is my first car, and I'm never going to get rid of it because of how much money I sank into it. So I might as well just sink more money into it, right? It's like, that's loud. Everything's loud in this car. I still like driving this car, first of all, because of the sentimental value, and it is also the car that started my channel. So, you know, it kind of means a lot to me. Somebody blew a tire. That's not safe. Okay. But yes, I still love this car, but the RS is just so good in so many different ways. And it has made me contemplate selling this car a lot of times, but I don't think I could. We're going to go get a couple pictures. I want to test out my new phone, the camera on it, and kind of play with the manual settings on it, so I can get some more cooler photos, and then bring them into an editing software so that I can correct a few things. But we're gonna see how the stock photos look. Please don't die. Body's reliable. I don't know what I'm talking about. The camera is closer to me in this car, so I'm hoping it'll pick up me talking better, but you know. And I don't like talking next to people in other cars because it makes me look like I'm crazy when they look at me. Right? And I think the dude next to me is looking at me right now. It's a little weird, just a little bit. If you didn't see the couple shorts that I had posted about this car, I had a fuel leak So, you know, it's the usual, like, usual spot where it happens on all these Cobalts. Literally every Cobalt has this issue, and if it hasn't, it will happen. So, if you have a Cobalt, be prepared. It rusts out because they put this heat shielding around the exhaust, where the exhaust is, around the fuel line, and it like absorbs all the salt water and stuff from winter driving, and then it just completely rusts out the lines. So that was the issue I had. It was not fun, but I got it fixed really fast with some help from Cody McClanahan. I got that fixed, or I guess we got that fixed, and then I got the rear banner installed. I did my mounts, I did my oil leak fix, and I still need to change the oil because I put seafoam in it. So yeah, that's about it. So hi, ZZP, if you would like to sponsor me, that'd be great, because I want a turbo kit and I will give you unlimited shoutouts and everything. I will put 20 stickers on my car that say ZZP. This BMW is trying to race me, but I know exactly how it's gonna end, and he's gonna win. Like, he has some nice burbles though. Bonnie does too, I think. It's not on command though, like Clio. This is on a stock tune, by the way. I don't know if I've mentioned that. I don't know if it's more worth it to tune it now, NA, or if I should just go turbo and then tune it. But it goes back to saying, I don't want to spend more money on this car, but at the same time I do. So it's just confusing me. We can do a little second gear pull with Bonnie, right? Huh. I'll let you know how slow it is. It's horrible. It's so slow. Especially coming from my RS that is now tuned. It's like, whoa, this thing is slow. Like, that's all I have to say. So at this point, it's just a good cruiser. It looks good and it cruises good. So, what can you do? And it's loud, so you can be loud and obnoxious. A fun car. I have to say it's a fun car. But I think I've grown out of it a little bit. That was a good pop. cool. So I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know where I'm getting the pictures or videos slash pictures. So I'm just gonna drive around until I find a cool spot. It's not very pretty because it's the middle of winter. This is really muddy, and I don't know if I can get in here. Oh my god. I should have done this! Oh, this is the test if my exhaust hangs high enough. I made a new exhaust, basically. So, I basically made from the axle back, like a brand new exhaust. So, because now the tip is angled how I want it, it looks like how I want it to look, and it sits higher up in the trans tunnel, or not the trans tunnel, the exhaust tunnel, because it's a front-wheel drive car. So it sits up higher, and now it's not scraping on literally every, like I would have scraped on that rock back there, but I didn't, because I'm good. I'm gonna go up here, actually. I'm not gonna be able to make it out. It's too. I'm gonna park. Got my videos and pictures. Now all that's left is start editing those and get them posted to YouTube. If you want to see more content of Bonnie and Cleo, maybe even combined, check this video out right here. This will be the end of this video. See you next time. I'm recording.